Alrighty, hey, how's it going? My name is Lauren May and welcome to this video. Today I am going to be sharing with you some ways that you can vamp up your lazy day / quarantine outfits and make them able to be worn in public. Because if you're anything like me, you've been wearing trackies and leggings for the last like 4 months, and sometimes you gotta, go out into the world and run some errands or like interact with humans, and you can't be bothered changing your full outfit. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use your already daggy situation and vamp it up enough to go out in public. So let's get straight into it. So the first outfit that I have for you today is the classic oversized hoodie and legging situation. So let's just, as you can see, it's just a chill oversized hoodie with some leggings on. Classic stay-at-home outfit. There's not really much that you need to do with this kind of outfit to vamp it up. I always like to pair it with some Adidas or some just sneakers, and you look really cute with a cute handbag and maybe some jewelry. It can look really cute and you can go out and do the things that you need to do outside. So the next super lazy day quarantine kind of outfit that we're going to vamp up is, so this is the classic t-shirt and trackie outfit that you've probably been wearing all over the home. The way that you can make this outfit just a little bit more wearable in public is two things. The first thing is I wear these with almost everything. Classic sneakers, add them to your feet, and you can, you could go like this, but to dress it up just that little bit more, here's an idea. So to dress up the outfit just a little bit more, I have added a leather jacket. Now it seems kind of odd because it seems a little bit too dressed up for a casual outfit, but because it's so extreme, like a leather jacket with trackies, it kind of meets in the middle with like a casual, you're going out for lunch or maybe to a Bible study or doing errands again. And I think this is super cute. I wore this out a few days ago and it's super comfy and it's warm enough during winter, and I didn't have to change out of my trackies to do so. And it just looks really cute. And it's like little to no effort whatsoever. All you need is just a cute dressed up jacket, preferably leather. I think the leather ones go really well with the trackie vibe. And yeah, maybe add some earrings and some jewelry, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I can see that that would just be the cherry on top. So this next outfit is just a casual crop top with some high-waisted pants. These are not trackies, they're just like cotton kind of, dressy up, dressy down kind of pants. They're super comfy and I've definitely been wearing them around the house, especially when I've had to do Zoom calls. I'm not normally a crop top person, but this is like my favorite t-shirt ever, so I make the exception, but it's very comfortable and I have some great ideas on how you can dress this up to be worn in public. So the first thing is you can add a jacket or a coat. My suggestions are either leather or denim, or you could go even as fancy as a blazer. All three would work really well. Today I'm going to try it with a denim jacket. It gives it the very casual vibes. You could wear this with Adidas as well, or I really think this outfit would pop with a pair of boots. It seems strange, but I think it would look super cute. And even if you wore a leather or blazer, a leather jacket or a blazer, it will just give that outfit just that next level dressed up feel, and I think it would look super cute, and it's a step away from the generic sneakers that I've been suggesting as well. So definitely try that out. So the last outfit is one that I'm not sure how many people would actually admit to doing, and that's just walking around your house in an oversized t-shirt. Actually, I feel like that's a trend now, isn't it? But anyway, a simple way to make this an outfit that you can actually wear outside of the house is just throwing on some bike shorts. It's winter here at the moment, so I would probably put leggings on, but for this outfit, I think it would be cute with these bike shorts, and throw your hair up in a situation and then add a jacket. Now I would definitely wear this outfit if you're going adventuring, maybe going for a walk, or you're going exploring, or you're doing whatever it may be, but definitely add a jacket because, like I said, it's winter here, but also because it can make your outfit really cute. So this is the one jacket option that I have. I'm not sure if I'm 100% on it. The alternative jacket option is a windbreaker that is super oversized, so you can do the whole like off the shoulder kind of vibe thing, as well as adding some sneakers to the mix as well. These are my sneakers. They're just black New Balances, but you could even use just generic white sneakers or even some Vans as well, and it would make the outfit just pop. That little athletic vibe, but you're also super comfy and you're ready to do whatever activity that you've gone out to go and do. An accessory that you could add to this outfit is one of those really tiny backpacks that you can add to your adventuring, casual, cute kind of outfit. I think this would look super cute if you're going for a walk or you're going to explore or whatever it is that you're doing. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below which one of these outfits that you have been wearing during quarantine and are more excited to wear outside with these few adjustments. If you're not already, please subscribe. The button is down below and you can click that notification bell to be notified every single time that I upload a video. I hope that you have an amazing day and don't forget to hug someone today. Bye! Psst, follow me on TikTok.